When faced with an obstruction, instead of stopping in their tracks, the team takes a split-second decision. Their actions speak volumes of their resolve towards successful completion of the task entrusted to them. The nerves of steel while handling a high-pressure situation and the quality training they undergo. Now the Maruti Gypsy in front of you will be dismantled up to chassis level and assembled back to running condition in a cohesive and sequential manner. The vehicle weighs a 1.2 tons. The half-ton engine block, which is otherwise lifted using a pulley and chain system in a workshop, is lifted manually by our fit soldiers, carried over rough terrain and put in place without affecting serviceability. Even though the entire activity is showcased in front of hundreds of watchful eyes, the young air warriors continue their task unhindered. They have been trained under the expert guidance of Wing Commander R. Pradeep and team of instructors, Warrant Officer Chirag Bhatia, Junior Warrant Officer Suman Kumar and Corporal K. Naveen. There is no mountain high enough, no canyon deep enough, nor a river wide enough to keep an air warrior from accomplishing the task ahead of him. If the boulder cannot be moved, the vehicle will. Watch closely as the team, unmoved by hindrance blocking their path, proceeds to take apart their transport, carry it literally piece by piece, assemble it, and continue towards their objective. The drill also displays the quick and crisp movements of the air warriors and their ability to perform accurately within the constraint of time. The specialty of this drill is that the entire activity is performed by a group of young air warriors who have recently passed out of their training from the Mechanical Transport Training Institute, Avri. The participants of this drill are Warrant Officer Chirag Bhatia, LSE Pradeep Kirdolia, LSE Yogesh Kumar, LSE Sachin Kumar Sharma, LSE Bunty Singh, LSE AS Rathore, LSE Pankaj, LSE Vikas Burdak, LSE Ranjan Sharma, LSE Ankush, LSE Rohit Sangwan, LSE Karnadan Pandya, LSE Vishal Singh, LSE Anmol Tyagi, LSE Navdeep Singh. This entire exercise aims not to display the modus operandi of our soldiers, but their sheer resolve when they set out about their mission. The drill requires utmost precision as it not only entails assembling of the vehicle, but ensures that it is back to running condition. The team has now successfully completed assembling the vehicle, and as you can observe, it is back to running condition. मैकेनिकल ट्रांसपोर्ट ड्रिल टीम अब अपने कार्य को निपुणता के साथ संपन्न करके वापस चल चुकी है। जिस प्रकार इन्होंने इस 1.2 टन के वाहन को मात्र